Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Spartan case for the S26 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in my reviews, and make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall feel of the case, how are the buttons, are they nice and tactile? You know, can you wireless charge? Does it offer MagSafe capabilities? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have the links in the description, so if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. But this is that packaging. Bam. It's been that way for years now. Follow them on their social media. They're very nice to Forest Tech Reviews, so go shout them out. Go follow them. It looks like they are including separate glass screen protectors in every case this year for the S26 Ultra. Okay. I like the Spartan. It's a simple case. It's going to show off the beauty. It has grip too, with the little kickstand plus the charging part there. I'm gonna get to one thing that I always say with these type of cases, but this is a little sturdy there though. I do like the grip. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera or not. Bam. So right off the back, I see the lip protection all the way around. Works friendly with my screen protector. Cutouts are pretty precise there. I mean, it could have it a little bit more, but I mean, that's pretty good. I like how it shows off the beauty of your phone. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen is easy to get out. The microphone at the top looks good. I mean, they line up perfect. The power button is nice and tactile. The vine rockers are nice and easy to press. I like the buttons too. Bam. Doesn't really add bulk to your phone. It's a little bit of a heavier case, but I've seen more heavy-duty cases. Dutier? I don't even know if that's the word. Look, sometimes my Cajun come out. I be saying stuff, you know. Y'all can laugh at me in the comments. But I like the corner protection you get with this case, too. So, dropping it, you're going to have that protection that you look for. And then the overall fit, a little loose around the vine rockers there, but I mean, it comes back. A little loose at the bottom too, but I mean, look, it comes back. Now let's see. Could it be tighter? I'm gonna say a little bit. It could be a little bit tighter, but again, y'all see me drop it. It's not just gonna come flying out, but the fit could be a little bit tighter. I love the grip that you get on the sides. And then I do like this charging or this kickstand, but again, give me a little piece that I can push down, because I'm going to show y'all what's going to happen. I showed this in other videos with different manufacturers, but can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge, as you can tell there. And then the magnet is pretty strong. Oh yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the one problem you're going to have is that flap, see? That is going to be a problem. But again, you're not going to sit here and shake your phone. And then even if you want to use a ring hold, you can use this as a ring holder too. Like you don't need this type of extension to hold it. I mean, yeah, you can hold it like this. Works out great. But the magnet is super strong. It's not going to come flying off. Oh, I mean, oh my goodness. Bruh. That magnet is strong. I mean, okay, Poetic, I see you out there. So that magnet is super strong on there. The only complaint, like I said, is how it flaps. But again, if you're on a road that flaps that much, then you need to talk to your local officials and fix your road. But overall, this checks off a lot of boxes. The buttons are nice and tactile. You have great lip protection all the way around. Good camera protection. The magnet is strong. You have a kickstand. I forgot even to show that off, but you know, multiple ways you can use the kickstand, multiple angles if you wanted to use the kickstand on there. Everything lines up at the bottom and the top. I mean, yeah, everything works out. It does add a little bit more weight to it, but not overall. It's not a heavy case or heavy duty case where it's adding a lot of bulk to your phone. Has excellent grip on the sides. So overall, this is a great case from Poetic. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forz Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.